What if you could connect an AI model like ChatGPT or Claude to your favorite apps, tools, service, or database to automate everything, even if you don't know how to code?
MCP, so Model Context Protocol, is the revolutionary new standard that is changing how AI agents and large language models access and interact with the world. And in this comprehensive course, you will master this game-changing technology step by step.
MCP is transforming how we build AI applications. Instead of complex APIs and manual integrations, it offers a universal standard that lets AI models safely access data and resources, execute tools, and automate tasks. Major companies are already adopting it, and early users are gaining a huge advantage.
In this class, you will master MCP by building real-world AI agents and automations, including WhatsApp and Telegram chatbots, web scraping agents, and desktop AI agents. MCP is the bridge that makes AI truly useful, connecting Claude, ChatGPT, and other AI models directly to your tools, databases, and services.
The best part? You don't need to be a programmer. Using a powerful automation platform called n8n and tools like Claude Desktop App, you will learn how to create MCP servers from scratch, connect them to AI models, and build automation workflows without any coding.
You will start with the fundamentals, then build real projects step by step. Plus you will get exclusive templates, ready-to-use workflows, and access to our private community with students just like you. MCP is still brand new, which means this is your chance to get ahead before everyone else.
Don't wait until everyone else catches up, enroll now, and let's get started.